Tons of massive logs are collected quickly. This is exactly the power of machinery in the logging industry. Extreme wood cutting and collection. The John Deere 643K works non-stop in the middle of a logging forest. Equipped with a diesel engine producing around 224 horsepower and a specialized grapple attachment, this machine is designed to cut, gather, and transport large logs efficiently. Saves a tremendous amount of human labor. The Tiger Cat 570 is hard at work in the forest. Powered by an engine delivering approximately 260 horsepower and equipped with a specialized felling head, this machine can grip, cut, and gather large trees in just a matter of seconds. This machine has to haul logs in extremely harsh conditions. 2 long logs weighing up to 15 tons are being pulled up a mountainside by the LKT-81 turbo, while the slippery terrain causes the machine to shake violently. Give this machine some extra power by commenting 1 below. Extremely professional and powerful log handling. The wheel loader utilizes its full power to load tons of logs onto the truck bed. It has been working continuously from morning until late evening at the log collection site. Wow, 40 tons of massive logs transported by just a single trailer truck. The vehicle drives straight through a residential area, looking extremely bulky and dangerous. In the end, it arrives at a remote site where the force of the unloading machine pushes the huge logs to the ground, causing the earth to tremble. Introducing the people's favorite wood sawmill machine. The portable band sawmill is a mobile machine capable of processing logs with diameters of up to 90 centimeters. During operation, the log is secured on the bed, and the sawhead then moves along the guide rail at a steady speed. Subscribe to the channel now to see even more giant wood processing machines. This is a homemade farm vehicle, but its engine is not to be underestimated. The machine can climb steep, slippery terrain to transport logs through challenging conditions. With every trip, thick clouds of exhaust smoke rise into the air, covering the entire area. Perhaps these are the two most efficient machines at work today. The Moorbark 40 gathers tree trunks and continuously feeds them into the grinding chamber at high speed. Moments later, wood chips are blasted out in all directions, helping nourish the natural forest ecosystem once again. This video demonstrates the power of these machines, which can pull and move through deep snow with remarkable ease. Comment 1 if you're impressed by this machine. The machine is devouring massive piles of tree branches. The Brush Bandit 1090 XP hydraulic wood chipper is equipped with an engine producing up to approximately 85 horsepower. It can process branches up to 12 inches in diameter, turning them into wood chips in just seconds for biomass processing and forest cleanup operations. the bravest machine I have ever seen. It is carrying several tons of cargo in the back and is preparing to cross a landslide-damaged road. The entire machine shakes violently as it battles its way through one difficult stretch of road after another. The tree cutting machine from Swift Fox Industries is equipped with a hydraulic cutting head capable of handling tree trunks up to 60 centimeters in diameter. It can quickly fell large trees in a short amount of time while significantly reducing manual labor in challenging terrain. Afterward, the tree trunks are crushed by the machine directly on site. The extreme logging trucks are specialized vehicles designed for transporting timber, they travel from the lowlands deep into the forest, crossing dangerous and challenging roads to haul logs. Massive tree trunks are continuously loaded onto the truck, and the journey has only just begun. With a saw blade diameter of up to 2 meters and a rotational speed of approximately 500 revolutions per minute, this machine is designed to cut large logs into precisely sized lumber boards. An automated conveyor system feeds each log into position, while the alloy steel saw blade slices through the wood grain with high precision. It produces straight, uniform cuts amid the busy and dynamic environment of the sawmill. Subscribe to the channel now to witness more giant logging and timber harvesting machines.